Y'all, here in our kitchen, our mind is so focused on Thanksgiving and what are we going to cook? What's the favorite things of my children? So I'm trying to help y'all, show y'all some options before the big day gets here. And you can start thinking about it. You can go ahead and make a recipe, test it, see if you like that, and then add it to your Thanksgiving table. Excuse me, or your Christmas table, whichever. Now, this is one of those good casseroles. It's just so standard. It's frozen, two 10-ounce packages of frozen broccoli, and we've chopped it, cheese, mayonnaise, cream of mushroom soup, eggs, and butter for the breadcrumbs. So I'm going to go ahead and drizzle our butter over our breadcrumbs. And I may need some more butter because I like for each of those cracker crumbs to have a little butter on them. All right, so that's ready. So you want to make sure that your broccoli, you squeeze it out very, very well. All right, so we're going to add our mayonnaise. And you can always use fresh broccoli, always. It's always permissible to use fresh fruits or vegetables, whatever you're cooking. But this is just an easy way to get to the end of the results you're looking for. Okay. All right, now we're going to whisk in our eggs. Look at those beautiful eggs. That mayonnaise just makes this casserole so, so good. All right, now I'm going to put the cheese in. And I may, towards the end of the cooking, I may sprinkle a little cheese on top of those breadcrumbs because, you know, in Paula Deen world, you can't have too much cheese. Right? Correct. Thank you. Okay. Now I sprayed our pan, our dish, and it says use a 13 by 9 by 2, but I actually like the one just under that for this casserole because I would rather my casseroles be a little on the thicker side than thin looking. This is going to be delicious. I actually think this is the recipe that we use at the Lady and Sons and Paula Deen's Family Kitchen. But I know at the Lady and Sons we use fresh broccoli, don't we, Eddie?
I think so, yeah.
Look at that. You can see the crackers glistening with the butter. Can you see it, Eddie? I can see it too. Yes. And that ain't nothing like a Ritz. Okay, so we're going to put this in the oven and we're going to bake it for maybe 25, maybe 30 minutes. You just want it hot and bubbly, but you don't want your crackers to get, real dark. So let's go in the oven. This is perfect for your Thanksgiving table or your Christmas table or your Friday night table. Any night, it's good. It's smelling like Thanksgiving in this house. It's so good. The broccoli flavor is so strong. It's so strong in it. I should have put a little salt in it though, y'all, because I used a cream of mushroom soup that was not salted. And I forgot because I'm not used to using that product. but maybe I should get used to it. This is delicious. No matter what table you choose to put it on, I think you're really, really going to like it. So for one more day, love and best dishes. Y'all enjoy. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.